So friends, let me show you this Kundakho Ghati. See here, fracture in the hill. You can see the wall of the Shahabad fort. Majestic wall, somewhat worn out, but you can see up to there. And this fort is protected by the Kundakho Ghati. You can see this separating valley is formed, which will at last separate this part of the hill. This is the Kundakho Ghati protecting this fort. From one side, you can see the Burj is there. You see this tree. People have written their names on this tree also. Very beautiful tree. You can see. So this is the Kundakho Ghati, which is protecting the Shahabad forts. So let us go again. I have taken this image for the landscape view of the fort's wall. How much terrific it was to access the fort. And this is the main road. See the trees and this forest. So let us go again. So see friends, this is the forest around the Shahabad fort. There are the walls of the outer percotta of the fort. See, it is almost looking silent here, and you can also say that it is looking haunted here, as we associate every fort with the treasury and the ghosts. So that is the Burj there. It is deep in the jungle, almost 4 to 5 kilometers inside. That is the Burj. Almost vegetation has covered it. And so this is the, you can see there are three walls. One outer, then middle one, then the inner one. So renovation work is also going on here. So you see, completely surrounded by the forest. Two small platforms are made here of the deities, but no worshipping is done here. ही चला गया। उनके पुत्र मेघ सिंह यहाँ के शासक बने। कोटा के महाराव उम्मेद सिंह मेघ सिंह को this might be some structure which was used to for living space. See, the roof has fallen. These are the verandas. This is a small structure. So let us go again. These pillars. So as I was telling to you, Marathas captured it, and then after it came under the rules of Kota's rulers. At that time, 56,000 people used to live in this fort. What is famous about this fort is that it houses a treasure. In the Naval Baudi, there is a Naval Baudi, and that is housing a treasure. So people used to come here, various tantrics from the Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, they used to come here and search the treasury in the Naval Baudi. But they couldn't find it because, as the people says, the treasury is protected by the invisible powers of this fort. So various buildings are there in the dilapidated conditions. So let us go inside the fort.